Hey Bionics. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my family. If you are my regular sub, my regular OGs, you'll know I love and appreciate you. Now, I am so sorry. I must apologize. I know I have not been consistent and I know you guys want the videos, but I promise you I've been recording, so you're about to get video after video after video. Anyway,
something good gonna happen in this year.
So it's Monday morning and today we're going to be working out of office. We have so many things that we need to get done today. So I decided that I'm gonna continue with this weekly vlog thing. So today is Monday. Let's get into the day. So I'm all ready and I'm actually waiting on my Uber. So we're going to go to the first location. I will be there for some time because I'm going to shoot some content. I am going to have a meeting and I'm also going to do some work. But it's supposed to be a productive day. So let's get into it. So I had all intention of going to Cafe Blue and I should know that would have happened. So Cafe Blue opens at 7 o'clock, right? But I had stuff to do at home, so I couldn't make it for 7 o'clock. And of course, I went in there and there was no seat. And I really wanted to do my breakfast content because I've been slacking on my self-love challenges. But I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Yeah. So that's where we're heading now. So I'm actually in Starbucks, right? There's not a lot of people in here. There's not a lot of people in here as in Cafe Blue, but of course you put up a tripod and everybody starts to look at you. But this is my job. As a content creator, it is my job. So as I was saying previously, I actually wanted to do some content for my self-love challenge. I think, let me see what week it is in. I hope you guys can hear me because there is noise in here and I forgot my noise cancelling microphone. But let me see what week we're in the year. I know that the last self-love challenge I did was week 16 and yeah, there was week 16 and I've been slacking. I'm sure we're at like week 20 something because we're currently in August, but let me double check. So we're in the 32nd week. My God. Okay. We're in the 32nd week of the year, right? And now the last thing I did, as I said, was week 16. So I have a whole lot of catching up to do and I don't know how fast I'm going to be doing it because even though I have catch up to do, I do have the week still progressing. So let's get into the Monday morning because yeah, as you quit, the day is literally done. is 3:18 and I'm finished working for today. I really didn't plan on staying in here all that time, but rain came down as you see, and now my man is coming for me, so I'm just gonna pack up and get ready to end my Monday. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I had other plans, I had errands to run, and I am supposed to be going to the company's office, but that closed at 3 o'clock. And I wanted to go pick up some packages, but the rain is still raining. So let's see what the rest of the day holds. So I'm in Berkshire, right? Because Mr. Man decided that he wanted to get some fast food. I mean, I was planning on cooking, however, because I didn't finish what I was doing throughout the day, and it's now literally 2 minutes to 4. I'm not going home to cook, so he's gonna eat some bird check, and I'm gonna go home and make a shake.
The next morning.
Good morning, everybody. So for my real OGs, y'all would know what this room represents, right? If you know, you know. Like, yeah, y'all would know what this room represents. But if you don't know, when I actually started my whole YouTube channel, most of my videos were shot in this room, which is my brother's room. You can see all his accolades up there. Anywho's, good morning. So it's the next day and I'm at my parents' house, as you can see. So my mom and my dad actually are celebrating their anniversary this weekend. So they've been together for 50 years and they're going to be married for 40 years come Sunday. But we're going to have a little anniversary thing. So in deciding to do that, my mom is actually making her cake, and that's fruit cake. So she asked me to come and help. Now I'm no bakist, but my mom says come and help. I'm gonna come and help, right? So that's why I'm up at the crack of dawn, not able to do my walks and my infinity hoop this morning and yesterday morning, but we're back on track tomorrow morning. So let's get into the festivities for today, because apart from helping her to bake, I do have some work that I need to do. I have some content that I need to edit. I'm currently editing this vlog because the last weekly vlog, I made the mistake of actually waiting until the end of the week to start editing. I'm not about to fall into that category again. So I have this vlog to start editing, and I have some other stuff on my TikTok and my Instagram. And if you're not following me, like, what are you doing? Like you need to go and follow me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm very festive over there. So let the day begin.
Social work on the back burner. Is it something you fancy not finish?
Yes, sure. Especially when you, because globalization is a
So apparently my helping my mom starts with breaking eggs. So where the hell is this open up to? So she says I should break the egg in a container before I actually put it in what she's going to be using. So let's do that. I think so, yeah. So you didn't count this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is correct. Social studies. What is the smallest planet in the solar system?
So how do you measure? You measure the egg based on the pound of cake that you're baking. So who teach you that, Mama? What can everybody do? Mama said 9 egg to a pound of cake.
Correct.
You understand me? What can everybody put 9 egg to a sample of egg? So then. Today drained me and it's literally just 10 o'clock. Anyways, so we're finished looking about the cakes. As I said, my mom and dad anniversary is actually on Sunday, but we're having a celebration on Saturday, and so she's trying to do a 3-tier cake. And I didn't know that 40th wedding anniversary is actually red. So she's gonna make the cake, have it decorated, all that jazz. Of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so you don't have to worry. I'm always gonna share the tea with you. Plus, my parents have been together since my mom was 14 and my dad was 16, right? They've been in a relationship for 50 years and they're gonna be married for 40 years come August 18th. So baby, that is a celebration that I'm looking forward to. So, and of course, they're a great union. They're the 2 wonderful kids. Because have you seen us? Have you seen my brother? Like the attorney at law, the Rohan Clayton. Listen. My parents did good with us, so of course we celebrate them every day. But this 40th wedding anniversary is a celebration. Can you imagine 50th? Like, baby. But as I said, it's literally 10 minutes after 10, and I saw it was like 1 o'clock. Like, the heat in Jamaica is heating. But I do have some work to do, because I do have some accounting clients that I need to get to their taxes. I also have some TCCs to go and sort out. I have some company registrations that I need to get some information for. And as I've told you guys already, I am an accountant by profession. I do have an accounting business. It's called DLC Accounting, and I cater to small business owners as well as self-employed persons and contract workers. And yes, there are 3 different things and 3 different categories. And I do have an Instagram page that gives you a lot of information as a business owner, as a contract worker, because as you know, when you're a contract worker, your company really doesn't pay taxes on your behalf. And yes, people don't like to pay taxes, and I'm digressing. However, you'll need to know this information. So people don't normally pay taxes or want to pay taxes, right? But in paying your taxes, you do benefit as an individual. So if you're a contract worker, and you have some sort of future plans of you wanting to own a house, or when you're retired you actually want to have some additional income coming in, then you need to be filing your taxes and paying NHT and NIS like off the bat. But I'm going to talk about that in another video. And I'm also the heat, and I'm also going to be talking about different aspects of accounting as a business owner, your responsibility as a business owner or as a self-employed person, how you're taxed if you have a 9-to-5 job, and also have your own business or businesses, listen, you just need to follow my accounting page on Instagram. It's DLC Accounting, and you need to follow me on TikTok at Dina Ray Lorraine, because I'm gonna be spilling some information about my business, about accounting, how you actually fit into the tax system as a tax compliant individual, and even why you're paying so much taxes, or why your taxes are less, or how you benefit from income tax returns and all that jazz. Anyways, I digressed. As I was saying, I'm gonna get some work done, right? And I'm gonna get some work done, and I'm here until my man leaves work. I really want to go by Hewa Square because I need a new mirror for my room, and the packages that I was supposed to pick up yesterday, I want to pick them up today. So let's see how the day progresses. Yeah.
A few hours later.
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, bet I made you look. I made you look.
So I left mommy. I left with my cupcakes and my cakes because she was not about to work me and not pay me. And I do take payment in food from my mom. But we came to Fontana because babe needed to get some stuff, and of course, because I'm vlogging and because this is a part of my day, I literally said to him, oh, can you just do some videos for me inside Fontana? He said no. Why do people like to curse at me? Why does he like to curse at me? Why would you want to tell me no? Like, I don't understand. Like, I'm low-key in my feelings because I'm doing this for us. I'm creating content for us because, you know, a girl is trying to get monetized and, you know, another source of income. So, baby, I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for us so we can build together. Like, low-key in my feelings, like, low-key, because walking in Fontana is just a therapy, okay? And because I want to get a new tat and I cannot because of my low blood levels, I could probably get a piercing, but this is another thing. Like, I don't know what's happening. Like, I changed something in my skincare routine, right? And then this appeared and this appeared and then this appeared, and I'm not having it. That does not fit into my cute girl lifestyle. Like, I'm wondering if he'll bring me to pick my packages up because we're at Fairview and I have packages that are ready. So I'm gonna ask him. Yeah, hopefully he doesn't curse at me again. Fingers crossed. Yeah.
The next day.
Good morning, Bionics. So yes, it is the next morning. Now, I was actually videoing when you guys saw me at Fairview because I was gonna show you guys something else, but of course iPhone is gonna tell me that I had no space, and by the time I reached home and I was trying to transfer all my files, I just got irritated, right? But I came home, I actually ate some of my cake because I did get cupcakes from my mom. So before I cut the cake that she actually gave me, I ate some cupcakes. I did eat some ice cream, so y'all know I'm not eating for the rest of the week because this juice diet must do what it's supposed to do. So we just actually chilled, we watched some Netflix, and we do what couples do. We actually Netflix and chilled, like the original Netflix and chill, and then, you know, the Netflix and chill. But anyways, so today's Wednesday and I actually have a lot of things to do. It's literally a busy week, and I had all intentions of getting up and doing my whole walking and my infinity hoop, but I don't know. I went to bed like a minute after 10 last night, and then I woke up this morning and I had to put my elasticates in, and every time I put my elasticates in, I actually get, some pain from my jawline to my ears. So yeah, and then I wasn't finished transferring all my files, and I needed to continue updating because, as I said, I'm doing a weekly vlog. So I finished my edits, well, the first parts of the edits. Why is this falling off? I know, I'm losing weight, that's why it's falling off. Anyways, so I finished editing the first part of this actual vlog, and I transferred the files, so now I have space to finish up the rest of the week. So I am going to do some chores because I have some laundry to be done. I decided that I want to change my bedroom a little bit. Well, really not change. I'm into the whole farmhouse decor thing, so I feel like I want to do some farmhouse decor thing in my room today. And I do have a meeting at 1 o'clock, and I'm supposed to have a meeting at 4 o'clock. I don't know all about that. And I do have some clients that I need to check on, and some invoices for another client that I need to get sorted out. So it's Wednesday. Let's get into the day. Mwah.
I'm the man with the plan if you don't know. Hey, I was down bad, now my pocket's like a sumo. Brody and
Listen, I love food gifts, and this is just making my heart sing. So yesterday when I went by my mom, my dad gave me this avocado. He said it's going to be ripe by Thursday, and I feel it's a little bit soft, so I'm sure it's going to be ripe by tomorrow. Now, these are dragon fruits. Now, I had no idea that they're grown in Jamaica, but a friend of mine said that her dad grew dragon fruit and they were ripe. Before I cut into it, I'm actually going to Google it to see what I'm looking for to know if it's right, because I don't want to cut in it and spoil it. I'm coming with some really good content and some drink and recipe flavors with this dragon fruit, so you have to be following me on my Instagram and on my TikTok. Now, pineapple for the pum pum. I'm sorry, but I love me some pineapples, and she did send me some pineapples as well. So listen, it's about to get lit. I want to do a pineapple margarita. I probably combine the pineapple and the dragon fruit to see what I can come up with, but food gifts are always welcomed.
She hit me like, I be like, why you so fine?
I'm so annoyed because then this is the reason why I got ready from so early. Normally I am not disappointed, but today I'm disappointed. So I have a meeting at 1 o'clock, and I decided I'm gonna do the Uber, because how else are you gonna travel really? But I got ready from 12 o'clock, tried to get an Uber, got an Uber, and the Uber is gonna tell me, I'm not seeing where it was moving or anything, so I called and they're gonna tell me wrong number. Like what? Anyways, tried to get another Uber, did that, and the guy would literally, I did that, and the guy would literally not answer me. And then when I tried to call, rang without an answer, and then the wait time started to increase from like 10 minutes all the way to 22 minutes. I had to cancel that ride, so I had to go with InDriver. Now, I'm not a fan of InDriver. My first choice is always going to be Uber, but I got an InDriver. I'm just gonna head out to my meeting. I'll talk to you guys after.
A few hours later.
Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. So I went to my meeting. I was almost late, but my InDriver actually drove like a taxi man. So yeah, I reached on time. It's actually 1:30. I really thought the meeting was going to be a little bit longer, but it was very great conversation, and if everything goes well, of course I'll give you guys an update, but that update is gonna be on my Instagram or on my TikTok, so you'll have to go follow me, right? Yeah. So my meeting is done, and for safety and security and confidential reasons, I'm not going to be able to tell you guys where I'm at or all that jazz, but I'm waiting to be picked up, not by Uber or InDriver, but my man, because he is one of the most reliable drivers that I have. So he's finished working. He was actually waiting on me because he finished working early, so he is on his way to pick me up. So I will come back to you guys and see you guys in the next clip.
A few hours later.
Sorry. Hi Bionics, good morning. Of course it's the next day, and I have a 9 o'clock meeting this morning. So I just woke up and I'm gonna do my skincare routine, take a shower, and prepare for my 9 o'clock meeting. It's actually a virtual meeting, but I don't know if anybody else does this, but whether my meetings are virtual or physical, I literally get ready just the same. So it is now like 7:30 thereabout, and I need to go get ready. So let's get into Thursday.
If my body was a boat, could you steer that sailor? Make it feel like it's a 1960s Hollywood trailer. Classic like cars, classic like Elizabeth Taylor. Need you to romance me, I need a give and not a take. What I need is 'cause I could love you if
So I did my meeting and it went very well. It really didn't last that long. I was actually meeting with a new client and just giving them the expectations that I have from an accountant perspective and getting what their expectations of me are. So that was about half an hour, a little bit, almost an hour of a meeting. But I'm currently on my juice diet, and in my juice diet, I actually replace all my meals for the day with a smoothie. Yeah, in my juice diet, I actually replace all my meals with a smoothie, right? And in order to ensure that the juice diet does what it's supposed to do, I make smoothies that I like. However, I need some energy and I want to make some coffee. But I'm wondering, if I make the coffee, does that replace my smoothie? Or should I drink the coffee and then this? Listen, I've been trying to go to my bed a little bit earlier in the night so I can wake up by 6 a.m. in the mornings and do my morning routine, all that jazz before my day starts. However, it's been a really hectic week, so I haven't been able to do what I'm supposed to do for my morning routine, which is walk at least 2 miles and do my infinity hoop for 10 minutes or more. I haven't done that all week, so I'm feeling some type of way about that. However, I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know. It's just something about working out at the beginning of the day rather than at the end of the day. It sits better with me. But yeah, I'm also not wearing my crossbite elastics, which is not supposed to be happening because I'm supposed to wear my crossbite elastics for 24 hours a day. But I can't eat with those crossbite elastics. So dilemma, yeah. I think I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm gonna make my smoothie. So let's go do that before I have to head back into my office and do some more work.
A few moments later.
So I made my iced coffee, right? And if you want to see the recipe, go ahead and follow my Instagram and my TikTok because I posted the recipe there. But so good. But and if you're following me on TikTok already, you know I have a coffee love playlist where I show all of my recipes where you can make your own iced coffee at home. So yeah, so I'm gonna have this iced coffee, I'm gonna watch some Netflix, then I'm gonna head back into work because I think I've taken a long lunch break today.
Keep going. Even when that mental mind of yours get weary or confused, just know that God already grants you favor and he already gave you strength to keep going. He's doing it, you know, so just keep going.
Hello, good morning, and I'm starting off your morning absolutely beautifully today because I cut into my dragon fruit and I was so happy that it's actually the pink and not the white one. Now, you know what's the right thing to do, right? That's following my TikTok and my Instagram because I made some scrumptious recipes right in my home. So let's take a minute to get into this beautiful dragon fruit. Like Starbucks, you have nothing on me right now. Right now, I've elevated to another level, baby.
I'm very demurtsy. I'm very cutesy. I'm very demure. But I mix them both because I'm what? Very demurtsy.
Well, good morning again, Bionics. Yes, you would have seen my beautiful dragon fruit. Yes, I did make that drink from my dragon fruit. So demure, like, ugh. But as usual, if you want to see how I made that drink, you need to be following me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm very festive over there, especially on my TikTok. And because we're a community and we're a family, it's only right that you're a part of all the family instead of just, one section of it. So it's Friday. And yes, I'm in the same top that I was in yesterday because I fell asleep in it. But Friday. I had a lot of plans in my head when I was about to go to bed last night, what I was going to do this morning. And I was going to get up at 6 a.m. I was going to go take my walk, do my infinity hoop, then get ready and go to brunch with myself because that was my last self-love challenge and I really want to get into my self-love challenge. So that was my plans, at least for the morning, and then go by Hewitt Square because I need a new mirror for my bedroom and I do need an ironing board. Those were my plans going to my bed in order to do for today, but here I am talking to you guys at almost 10 o'clock because I just got up out of bed. But that's the next thing. In life, we always make our plans. We always hope that our plans come through. But when they don't, we're very disappointed. I suggest, and I'm sure you already know, when you're making your plans, ensure that you have a contingency plan just in case something did not work out. And remember, even though it's hard in the moment, things didn't work out for a reason and probably will never see that reason ever in life. But we need to always be prepared and we need to always have a contingency plan in place. And we need to understand that delayed does not ever mean denied. So I don't know what I'm going to do today. I think today is a day off from work because, I can. But let's see where the Friday takes us.
up this morning, out of my bed, I looked around, this is what I said. Thank you, Lord, for another day, all the blessings.
Good morning, Bionics. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and yes, I am up at the crack of dawn because I have things to do. But it's literally just 7:30, and every day I do say I have a lot of things to do, but today I'm gonna have to say it and do it. Sorry, I don't know why I was looking over there because I'm home alone. Anyways. It's Saturday. So earlier in the vlog, I did tell you guys, I think it was about Tuesday, that my mom and dad is celebrating their 40th wedding anniversary tomorrow. However, we're going to be doing an anniversary dinner tonight. So I need to go get my eyelashes done. I need to go get my eyebrows done. And I do have an event tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to go, but you're not going to know if you're not following me on my Instagram and my TikTok. So, I have a few errands to run today. I have to do all of that and get back home before 4 p.m. because my makeup artist is supposed to come at 4 p.m. So, yeah. And let's get into the Saturday. So, of course, if you want the recipe for my smoothie, it's on my TikTok and it is on my Instagram. So, go follow me. I'm about to watch some Netflix. Until about 8:45, I'm going to start getting ready. And of course, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So, I will see you in the next clip. So, I fell asleep and I started to get ready really late, but I just finished getting ready. It's literally 10 minutes to 11. I want to get to my esthetician by 11 a.m. because she doesn't do appointments on Saturday, and I don't like to wait long. I don't like to wait at all. So I'm hoping that my Uber gets here in time and I can reach there for 11 o'clock. But when I reach the location, I give you guys an outfit of the day. Right now, we're going to go catch that Uber.
Road trip, come let we go. Road trip, come let we go. Road trip, come let we go. Come let. It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight.
Okay, so I collected my packages, right? And I do have some other stuff in Fairview that I want to do. And I literally want to go take some pictures. But I need to decide where that is. And as you can see, the sun is literally sunning. So I really wanted to go over Icon and take some pictures, but the sun is sunning and I'm over it. I just want to get back home to my air conditioner and my throw. So I had to stop. As you can see, I'm under a tree because the damn sun is so hot. But yeah, it's cool under here, but let's continue the journey. So I made it back home, right? Because the sun is literally sunning. Like, I had like 2 or 3 errands left to do, but I could not. So at Daily Cafe, I actually got I got a lemon smoothie, right? And I got a jerk chicken wrap with plantain. So, yes, I'm on a juice diet, but I'm feeling a little bit dizzy, so I decided to get a wrap. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna relax a little bit with my Netflix, and then I have to go into figuring out what I'm gonna wear later for my parents' anniversary dinner. So the next clip that you're gonna see me in is me at the dinner, or probably the get ready with me. Either way, we'll see each other soon.
They're by no means young people, they're very old. I know that I would love to see them to see another 40 years. And it can't happen, because I think the oldest person in the world is 160. And grandma died at like 93. Each time we meet love, I find complete love. Oh, without your sweet love, what will life be? No one else will.
Has been specially made. We thank you for every individual who took part in the preparation. And Father, we just ask you to just bless this food and bless the cake in a very special way, Lord.
Life, our lives, then the foundation would not have been. But to back up a bit, I married a Christian young lady. She was a Christian, but God sees fit to give her a worldly as a husband. Because some years after, sometimes she would say to me, why you don't have that? I said, I don't have a reason why. Serious, I don't have a reason why I did not at the time. But when I was a young man, very young boy, my father gave me 2 songs that I listened to, 51 and I think Psalm 71. One deal with the psalmist David asking for forgiveness.
Something good gonna happen in this year.